This video is going to be how to draw a daisy. We're going to hold our paper vertical, and I'm going to be using a Sharpie so you can see the lines that I draw, but you use a pencil, and please draw light so that way if you make a mistake you can erase and the lines go away, and then you can color it darker at the end. So I am going to use a stencil to make a perfect circle, but you can freehand your circle, or you can get a stencil or the edge of a cup if you want to trace. The lines do not have to be perfect, but I'm going to go ahead and use a stencil just to show you that you can use a stencil. So the first shape you're going to do is make a circle. You're going to leave some room up high so you can have some room for the leaves. I am going to draw a circle right in the middle of my paper, but leave a little room up top for the leaves. Okay. Inside I'm going to do another smaller circle. You can use a stencil or you can freehand. It is entirely up to you. So there's two circles, one smaller than the other one. The next shape you are going to do is we're going to do the first layer of leaves. So I'm going to start on this side and I'm going to make two parallel lines like that. And then I'm going to make a point right in the middle, and then I'm going to connect the two lines just like that. So you're going to do that going all the way around. Okay? Now, usually what I'll do is I'll make four. So I'm going to do one across the side too. Point, connect. And then I'm going to do one going up and down, top to bottom. So I'm going to do parallel line again, point, connect. And you try to make them the same size. And I'm going to do one up top here. Point, connect. Now, I'm going to do two in between each one. So you go ahead and either speed up this video or pause the video if you cannot keep up. But now I'm going to do two in between each one that I did. And I'm going to go fast, so please pause the video. Okay, so once I do that, I'm going to make the second layer. And I'm just going to make an upside down letter V and connect in between the first layer of flowers. So you see that? Or once you get down here, there's going to actually be a letter V. But in between each one, I'm making two lines connecting to the side of each leaf. So like I said, please pause the video if I'm going too fast. But this step here is very repetitive. Okay? So those are the flower leaves of your daisy. Next is the detail inside. I'm going to make curved lines, but they're going to be diagonal and they're going to cross hatch each other. So I'm going to make it curved a little bit just to make it look a little organic. Okay, so the first direction, I'm going to go like this, curve it just a little bit, and then I'm going to cross each line the opposite direction, but I'm going to curve as well. So this is called cross hatching. Okay. Okay. Next shape we're going to do is the stem. I'm going to make two parallel lines at the bottom like this, and I'm going to stop. I'm going to add a leaf. Put a point here, curve to the right, curve to the left. Then I'm going to do some zigzag lines. Go in, like that. Same with this. Go in, curve. Okay, now go down and make a point. Okay, add the detail inside the leaves. Straight line in the middle. Line going to the left, line going to the right, line going to the left. Now I'm going to continue the stem. Go down a little bit more, and I'm going to make a leaf on this side. Put a point here, curve line, zigzag lines, in, and now make your zigzag. And then go out and out. Detail inside your leaf, straight line going out, left, right, left. And then continue the stem. Okay? And then I'm going to add one or two leaves behind the daisy. I'm going to make a curved line and go in. Same on this side. And this is behind the daisy, so you're not going to see the remainder of it. You're just going to see a little piece sticking out. So that there is a very simple daisy using lines and shapes. When you color, you see how I blended the orange and yellow. So please try to blend, whether you use crayons, markers, or color pencils. Use lights and darks, light brown, dark brown, and have fun coloring your daisy using lines and shapes. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and look for more fun videos how to draw with lines and shapes.